Welcome to our guide on starting and growing a faceless YouTube channel for income. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to succeed. First, let's talk about niche selection. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand. Research trending topics and analyze competitors to find your unique angle. Next, let's explore content ideas. Consider creating tutorials, top 10 lists, or commentary videos. These formats are engaging and can attract a wide audience. Now, onto script writing. Write clear and concise scripts that keep viewers engaged. Use storytelling techniques to make your content relatable. AI tools can assist in generating ideas and refining your scripts. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and edit your content. For voiceovers, consider using AI voice generators. They offer a range of voices and can save you time. When it comes to video creation, use software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Incorporate stock footage and visuals to enhance your storytelling. Don't forget to add subtitles for accessibility. Monetization is key. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Explore additional income streams like affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Finally, focus on scaling your channel. Analyze your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Experiment with different content types and promote your videos on social media. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep creating and improving your content. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your faceless YouTube channel into a source of income. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey.